Hi my little shardies, welcome and welcome back. This is Christina with Shhh Art Online. I hope everyone has had an incredible week. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a flip through of Mythographic's Color and Discover Wild Winter. This is the latest Mythographic book out. This one's by Joseph Catimbang. I'm hoping to have a color along out of this book real soon. I will leave a link in the description box below so you can grab yours if you haven't gotten it yet. Like most of my flip throughs, this one is going to be a silent flip through. I will go ahead and put some music in the background. If you don't like the music, that's fine. Just go ahead and mute, and then you can put on whatever you'd like. If you like what you see, make sure you hit like and subscribe and turn on your notifications so you're told each and every time I post a new video. All right, without further ado, let's get this thing started. All right, thanks for sticking around to the end. Again, I will leave a link in the description box below for this book. As always, stay safe, stay healthy, color happy, and remember, Shh, it's our little secret.